Well, today's video is going to be very simple, straight to the point. You know me, sometimes I do ramble on. But we're going to be removing the gas cap on this F-150 here. It's a 97 model, 10th gen. Now, you might want to replace your gas cap because it's rusty. And this one is not rusty that we are taking off this parts truck. I sell on eBay if you're new. And I make videos too on YouTube. But this is going on eBay. This rust-free gas cap here. Somebody might need it. It looks rust-free to me. So, how do you remove this? You can see it works great. It was beneath, didn't I? Okay. But anyway, you got some torque bits. You just get this proper size, which I'm going to go find and show you, and then we'll spin them out. So, you don't have to have a... Well, my ratchet's a little big, but this is an Icon from Harbor Freight. It's set to off, which in case you didn't know, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey on most boats. Not all, some's got reverse threads. So we're going to stick this in here, and the size of that is a T20. See? So we're going to stick this in here, twist. Now if yours look a little rusty, you can spray some PB Blaster on it, but you shouldn't need to. But if you do, use a rag. Make sure it don't get on your paint, because that stuff can be hard to get off. So I'm going to go ahead and spin these out, because you probably don't want to watch me ratchet on this the whole time. Put them somewhere you won't lose them, and it just pulls straight out, just like so. Now, as I said, I do sell on eBay. This is going on eBay if I don't need it. We'll go check here in a second, because I do got a 10th gen we are building here on the YouTube channel. So if you're new, get subscribed. It's been a while since I did a video on that. But we got a lot of, we got a lot of projects here on this channel. And I just now getting where I can do some catch-up. Much needed catch-up on these projects. Okay, bolts is tight. It's gonna make sure I don't need this, and then I clean it up and list this on eBay. It's new inventory. That's the 10th gen, and the gas cap is on the driver's side, of course. Let's go around. My gas cap looks good enough for me. These gas caps is interchangeable. They pretty much the same gas cap through all years. They mount on the same way. It saves Ford money. And that's how simple it is to remove your own gas cap. As I said, this is eBay inventory. It's going on the store. It's in the description below. If you're new, get subscribed. We got a lot going on this channel. And thanks for watching.